In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a Notion finance tracker step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want a simple way to track your expenses, manage accounts, and stay on top of your finances all inside Notion. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add the finance tracker template and navigate through accounts, expenses, and statements with confidence. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and go to your workspace. Once you're there, start by creating a new page. You can do this by clicking on the New Page option in the sidebar. This will give you a blank page where you can add templates and start building your system. Next, inside this new page, click on Templates. This opens Notion's template gallery where you can find ready-made setups created by the community and by Notion itself. Templates are great because they save you a lot of time and give you a structured layout to work with. Now in the template search bar, type in Finance Tracker. As you type, you'll see different finance-related templates appear. Look through the results and find a finance tracker template that fits your needs. For this guide, we're using a standard finance tracker that includes accounts, expenses, and statements. Once you find the finance tracker template you want, click on it to open the preview. Take a quick look at what's included so you understand how it's organized. When you're ready, click on the Add button. This will add the finance tracker template directly into your Notion workspace. After the template is added, you'll be taken into the finance tracker dashboard. The first section you'll usually see is Accounts. This is where you track different financial accounts like your bank accounts, credit cards, or cash. You can edit existing accounts or add new ones by clicking into the table and entering your own details. Next, click on Expenses. This is where you'll log your day-to-day spending. Each expense entry can include details like the name, amount, date, category, and which account it belongs to. Make it a habit to regularly add your expenses here so your tracker stays accurate. After that, navigate to Statements. Statements help you review transactions over a specific period and give you a clearer overview of your financial activity. This section is especially useful if you want to compare monthly spending or review past data. Inside the Statements or Accounts view, click on the Name field to open individual entries. This lets you see more detailed information and make edits as needed. You can customize these entries to better match your personal finance setup. Finally, click back on Finance Tracker to return to the main dashboard. From here, you can easily jump between accounts, expenses, and statements anytime you want. As you get more comfortable, you can also customize views, add filters, or create summaries to better understand your finances. And that's it. You now know how to use a Notion finance tracker from start to finish. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.